Hey everyone, we want to find out the market equity value of a company quickly. In this video, we will show you how to check a company's market equity value using Yahoo Finance. This way, we can make smarter investment decisions. The market equity value, or market capitalization, is the total worth of a company's stocks. We calculate it by multiplying the current stock price by the total number of outstanding shares. This value shows what investors are willing to pay for the company today and gives us an idea of its size and profile. It changes with stock performance and market sentiment, reflecting future growth potential and how investors see the company. It can be different from book value because it focuses on future growth and what investors think. The purpose of market equity value or market capitalization on Yahoo Finance is to show the total value of a company's outstanding shares in the market. This helps us quickly see a company's size, compare it with others, and make better decisions about investments and risk. Now let's go through the steps together. I will teach you step by step, so even if you're new, you can follow along. First, we open our browser. We go to yahoo.com. Once we are on the page, we go to Finance. We can find Finance in the upper right corner of the page. When we see Finance, we click Finance. Now we are on the Finance page. To find the market equity value or market capitalization of the stocks we want, we search for the company we want to research. For example, let's use Apple. On the Apple company page, we will see the details of their stocks, including the previous close. At the bottom part, we will see more details of Apple's stock price and shares. To find the market capitalization, we go to this section. In the valuation measures, we can see the market cap. The market cap or market equity value is shown here. This is the market equity value of Apple, and this is how we can quickly find the market equity value of any company on Yahoo Finance. Knowing this number helps us make smarter investment decisions and understand a company's size in the market.